We're entering a whole new phase. AI-powered computing is no longer just about raw performance. It's becoming woven into how we live and work. We've pushed mobile tech into PCs, tablets, AI, glasses, watches, earbuds, you name it. Today, I'm excited to introduce the third generation Qualcomm Orion CPU for both our smartphones and PC platforms.
From the beginning, we weren't just designing another processor. We started with a blank slate, rethinking what performance could mean in the real world. We defined a new design philosophy to push beyond limits where it matters most. At the heart of it, we tuned our microarchitecture for actual use cases. We focused on improving the instructions per clock in actual workloads, rather than synthetic benchmarks. As a core design choice, we prioritize clock speed, which impacts performance across every use case. This provides the range to ramp in demanding workloads and conserve power when tasks are lighter. Our cache hierarchy is a cornerstone of the design. We carefully developed very large caches while still significantly reducing latency. So demanding tasks like gaming, browsing, and video editing are faster and more fluid. From the start, we built our custom architecture to scale, from our incredible smartphones and powerful laptops to safety-critical automotive systems, and in the future, even data centers. Our third generation CPU was tailored to AI. It works hand in hand with the Qualcomm Hexagon NPU to orchestrate machine learning and execute tasks for AI agents, while hardware matrix acceleration brings models directly onto the CPU for added flexibility and speed. In the end, it's not about specs, it's about the experience. The third generation Qualcomm Orion CPU delivers performance in everything you do, battery life to keep you going, and intelligence woven into every task. That's the promise of the third generation Qualcomm Orion CPU.
As we promised last year, performance per watt continues to be an advantage for Snapdragon. And we delivered exactly that with the Orion Gen 3. Look at this curve. We're nearly 40% better performance and 43% less power compared to Orion Gen 1 introduced in our compute products in 2024. The Hexagon NPU is a game changer. On both PCs and smartphones, it helps shift workloads off the CPU and GPU, boosting performance and saving power across the board. What makes Snapdragon so powerful is more than just one component. It's the combination of everything we build. It's this full stack working together that unlocks what's possible in smartphones today. We are ready to take the next step. The new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. It's designed to deliver top-tier performance, incredible efficiency, and next-level AI capabilities. Let's start with the Orion Gen 3 CPU. It's something we're really proud of. We've built it into our mobile platform, and it's the fastest mobile CPU in the world. Let's get into the specs. The prime cores hit 4.6 gigahertz, and the performance cores are running at 3.6 gigahertz. This is the first time you're seeing this kind of speed on smartphones. And we've added 12 megabytes of cache per cluster, which gives the cores the capabilities they need to handle everything: multitasking, gaming support, video editing, web browsing, and agentic AI, and so much more. Look at these benchmark scores. In the latest Geekbench ST and speedometer scores, we're up 20% and 32% respectively. Geekbench MT is another important measure, and we're up nearly 20% on that. Now, let's go through the Hexagon NPU. It's a major upgrade. We've re-architected it from the ground up. and it's now delivering nearly 40% better performance and more than 15% better power efficiency compared to last generation. And when you combine that with the improvements we've made in the CPU and GPU, the 8 Elite can intelligently manage workloads across 3 cores with even higher performance. The NPU isn't just for generative AI. It's working across graphics, real-time translation, and especially in photography and video. For years, phones have used AI to enhance photos, tweaking lighting, sharpening details. But with this tight integration between our Spectra ISP and the NPU, we're now applying the same enhancements to video. What that means is every frame gets processed with the same intelligence and precision as your photos. The NPU now supports your personal data and device-to-cloud orchestration. Your on-device assistant can remember past conversations, classify images, and even help you post to Instagram. The third big core, the Adreno GPU. It's another big step forward, and it continues to lead the way in mobile gaming. We've added support for advanced features like mesh shading and hardware acceleration for ray tracing. All that means is games are going to look and feel more realistic than ever. Performance-wise, we're seeing a 23% boost and 20% more efficiency too. So not only you're getting smoother gameplay, but you're also getting better battery life while doing it. We've also pushed the architecture further with a 3-slice design. Each slice can now hit clock speeds of 1.2 gigahertz. This year, we're introducing something new with Snapdragon 8 Elite. It's called the Adreno High Performance Memory, or HPM. It's a dedicated memory layer we built specifically for graphics. HPM gives the GPU its own high-speed memory cache, 18 megabytes worth, which boosts bandwidth and cuts latency. That's critical for gaming, especially when you want ultra-responsive gameplay and smooth visuals. The result? Faster scene rendering, fewer frame drops, and smooth performance. Look at these numbers for memory bandwidth and power savings. We're making sure gamers stay in the game without worrying about frame drops or battery drain. We've done a lot with imaging and video on Snapdragon 8 Elite, completely revamping our Spectra ISP. It is the first 20-bit ISP in mobile platforms. What that means is when you're shooting in low light, whether it's photos or videos, you're going to see a lot more detail. And for creators and video professionals, we've added something really special: Advanced Professional Video, or APV. Developed in close partnership with industry leaders like Samsung, it's a new codec that supports high bit rates and nearly lossless quality. We're already seeing strong adoption across the industry. Google, Adobe, Blackmagic, and others are already on board. This is the full scope of what Snapdragon 8 Elite delivers. From the world's fastest mobile CPU to incredible gaming experiences, photo and video capture capabilities never seen before, AI integrated into every user experience, and last but not least, unrivaled connectivity, all with incredible power efficiency.
What I'm about to announce today is something that will change this industry again. Today, I am super excited to announce that the X series just will get an epic upgrade. Introducing Snapdragon X2 Elite. This platform features a 12-core, third-generation Qualcomm Orion CPU for premium performance and leading power efficiency. The Gen 2 is a massive upgrade from our first generation. It delivers up to 31% faster peak performance. Here's the best part. It requires 43% less power than our first generation. Yeah. We're obviously living in a world of AI. And to enable generative and agentic experiences, we have an all-new powerful NPU that delivers 80 TOPS of inferencing performance. Everything we do on our PC is now going to run much faster and in a more power-efficient manner. What that means, obviously, is much better battery life for all of us. We are creating entirely new experiences, and I can't wait for all of you to discover the power of X2 Elite. Today, I'm unveiling something that will redefine the expectation of what's possible. Let's roll a quick video. we are introducing Snapdragon X2 Elite Extreme Edition. Everything about this chip is unleashed for ultimate performance. Compared to our previous gen, the Extreme Edition delivers a legendary leap in performance. It's a 50% faster CPU, a 2x faster GPU, and a 78% faster NPU. That's right. This is a best-in-class 18-core third-generation Qualcomm Orion CPU, all designed with Windows. And it is the first ARM-compatible CPU to run at 5 gigahertz. Has a refreshed core design that can handle multitasking and heavily threaded workloads with improved power efficiency. In a single threaded workload, the Snapdragon X2 Elite Extreme Edition delivers 44% faster performance at the same power versus our competition. The competitors, thank you. The competitor's peak performance requires 144% more power. Let's look at multi-threaded performance. Even the phones want to sing to this stuff. In a multi-threaded performance, we are 75% faster versus our competition. And our competitor's peak performance requires 222% more power. I don't even know what to say. This ultimate performance will translate into real-world experiences. When you look at productivity, you can see up to 53% faster browsing, 49% improved office productivity, and over 2x faster file compression relative to competition. Now let's switch to and talk about graphics. Our advanced integrated Adreno GPU is not only fast, but it is amazingly power efficient. The X2 Elite Extreme is up to 52% faster than competition, while the competitor's peak performance requires 92% more power. The X2 Elite Extreme features the world's fastest NPU for laptops. It is more than 5 times faster than competition. We've obviously built the X2 Elite Extreme to give you the best experience possible on PCs. Some of the most important creator experiences, such as 3D modeling, image editing, and drawing, will run faster than ever before. In these real-world creator use cases, it delivers up to 64% faster performance. Earlier today, you all heard from Shantanu. All of Adobe's video editing and motion graphics suites are now optimized for Snapdragon. One of the hottest professional music production apps in the world is Ableton Live. I'm thrilled to share that Ableton Live is also in development on Snapdragon, and you will soon get a preview in early 26. With an 18-core Qualcomm Orion CPU core, with an advanced integrated GPU, and support for the latest 4K 144Hz displays, the X2 Elite Extreme will be Snapdragon's biggest advancement in PC gaming. We are collaborating across the industry to bring more titles on Snapdragon. Snapdragon X2 Elite Extreme delivers up to 2.2 times faster performance in some of the most popular and demanding games. This will open up a whole new catalog of titles like Fortnite, Gears of War Reloaded, and many, many more. Managing PCs has always been tricky, but we've developed an innovative solution that takes our leadership in connectivity and fuses it with the PC. Let's take a quick look.
Meet Snapdragon Guardian technology. It allows you to manage your team's PCs from virtually anywhere. It fuses hardware, firmware, and cloud, plus leading cellular, to extend out-of-band control to more PCs. It's built as a secure subsystem in the Snapdragon X2 Elite platform, so you can reach a PC that's off or won't boot. Lost your laptop? Locate quickly and confidently. Lock or wipe it remotely. Attackers can't stop you. Need support? Get remote help even if the PC won't power on. All these capabilities live inside Snapdragon Guardian, coming first with the Snapdragon X2 Elite platform.
Our AI lead, and someone who's been instrumental in making this real, my longtime colleague, Jilay. Let's hear from him.
For over 15 years, Qualcomm has been at the forefront of AI research and development, innovating and optimizing AI models to run efficiently on devices of all kinds. Today, we are making the next leap in agentic AI. enabling seamless device-to-device orchestration, where your devices work together intelligently and with a cloud AI systems to enhance everyday experiences. We are redefining what is possible when your phone, glasses, watch, and other personal AI devices collaborate and combine the capabilities, process data close to the source, and extracting the useful information and share it effectively are the type of system problems we have been solving here at Qualcomm for decades. We are pioneering low-power agentic AI technology that enables seamless, secure device-to-device collaboration, leveraging always-on sensing, smart triggering, personal context aggregation, and the integration with the cloud AI systems to transform experiences. This is not a vision for a distant future. This is a technology we are developing right now. We are excited to lead the way at the frontier.
We've seen some incredible product launches today across smartphones and PCs, and it's clear the next generation of Snapdragon technology continues to be a driving force. There's already a lot of buzz around the Snapdragon X2 Elite series with 2 compute platforms now in the world. And of course, the Snapdragon 8 Elite, our most powerful mobile platform yet. But we're not stopping there. We have one more addition to our premium tier lineup. Yes, I'm excited too. Introducing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. We developed this chipset to give you more choices and flexibility while still delivering flagship features. We'll have a lot more to share about this platform later this year, so please stay tuned.